You may notice that my YouTube Shorts feature custom thumbnail images. For instance, when I open this YouTube Short, you'll see a unique thumbnail image that I selected. I applied this specific image to the short video. Interestingly, when you play back this YouTube Short, you can confirm that the thumbnail is not part of the actual video content. In this tutorial, you will discover how to achieve this. The journey began when I realized that after uploading a short video from my computer, the auto-generated thumbnail was quite disappointing, because it was chosen by YouTube at the point of transition. To add to my frustration, I found out that this statement is not correct because you cannot change the thumbnails of uploaded shorts, even from a mobile device. To resolve this issue, I uploaded my next shorts video directly from my phone using the YouTube mobile app. YouTube automatically chose a thumbnail from inside the short video. When I tapped the edit button, I was presented with 9 auto-generated thumbnail options selected from within the video. However, there was no option to upload a truly custom and external thumbnail image. To tackle this problem, let's explore a fantastic workaround. Please follow the instructions and feel free to ask me any questions in the comments section. I started by accessing my video editing software. I selected all the clips of the current short video and moved them forward on the timeline. Then I created a custom thumbnail image using design software. Then I imported the thumbnail into the video editor, placing it at the start of the timeline track. I extended its duration to a minimum of 3 seconds to ensure that YouTube will automatically generate a thumbnail option from this initial segment. Next, I merged the custom thumbnail with the clips of the current short video, making it an integral part of the final video. If you are using Canva to edit your short video, simply create an additional page with a short intro clip at the start to include your thumbnail and adjust its duration to at least 3 seconds. Just save your new short video. Once editing is complete, transfer the YouTube short video from your computer to your mobile phone either through Bluetooth, Drive, or connecting a cable. Next, open YouTube mobile app and tap the plus button to upload your new video. Select the Add button and choose a Shorts video from your mobile phone gallery. Tap Next. After adjusting the duration, click Done, then tap Select. Skip editing by tapping Next. Tap on the thumbnail edit option at the top right. Your custom thumbnail image should now be included among the 9 auto-generated thumbnail options. Simply select it and tap on the Upload Short button. You're all set. Please consider subscribing to the Dozro channel. Your support means the world to me. If you wish to remove the additional thumbnail portion from your video, access YouTube Studio on your computer. Select Content, and from Shorts Collection, open the same YouTube Short. Choose the Editor tab. Use the Trim and Cut option to remove any extra frames added by your custom thumbnail. This step guarantees that your Shorts video maintains the minimum duration while preserving your custom thumbnail. Once selected by the YouTube system, the thumbnail will remain unchanged even after removing the extra segment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Dozro channel. I am confident you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.